Hi guys, it's me, Vacuum Smith here, and I have another video of the blaster project again. This will be part 8. The cosmetic parts. This is where we not pressure wash. I already did that. This is where we paint the frame Massey Ferguson gray. So hope you guys enjoy the video because, well, I gotta clean it up a little bit better because the pressure washer didn't get every last bit of grease off of it. And paint is very particular about how clean the surface is. There it is, hung up. It's the power of a winch. It doesn't show up on camera quite how good this boy looks.
Gosh, brand spanking new.
It does look like it's brand new.
That turned out well, didn't it?
It did. Well, this is the finished product, guys. On camera it doesn't, well, maybe it does. Doesn't look quite nearly good on camera as it does in real life, but bye guys, and see you next time. And that's the painted blaster. Next part of the project series we'll probably be looking at the engine again. But this looks really good. Check it out.